friend of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps section over here. Then you need to click on App Twin and tap on the searcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. In my case, it's only Snapchat. Then wait a bit. And now when I go back, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!